The 2024 Ford Mustang comes with a new supercharger kit from Ford Performance. Ford Performance has released a new supercharger kit priced at $9,995 for the 2024 Mustang, GAT, and Dark Horse models. The package increases the power of the 5.0-liter V8 engine from 480 to 880 to 800. The kit includes a 3.0-liter Whipple supercharger, a 92-ohm throttle body, and fuel port injectors from the Mustang GT 500. The company claims that the kit is compatible with both automatic and manual transmissions, complies with all CARB requirements, and is legal in all U.S. states except California. The supercharger kit is available separately from the F800's package, which will enter serial production. Of particular interest is the exterior design of the Mustang concept, where white wheels and corresponding radiator parts blend with the stripe along the side surface of the body, giving it a distinctly sporty appearance.